All right, welcome back to yet another episode. Today we will be looking at another Topo Designs product. This is the Rover Pack Tech. So it's not the normal version of the classic Rover Pack. It's a tech pack that has a laptop sleeve. So let's look at that in a minute. First we will go over the specs, then we will load it up with stuff. Right, so this is the gray version. Gray all over. There's no accent colors on the outside. Just a small Topo Designs logo right here in the same color as the bag. So this is very unusual of Topo Designs that usually makes their gear in many quite bright colors and accent colors. The fabric is 1000 denier Cordura, I believe. So quite heavy and durable fabric. So that should last for a very, very long time. I have a normal, this is not a bag scale, it's a fishing scale. So let's turn that on. Right, and let's see what the bag weighs empty. So right, 920 grams, 930 grams. That's what the bag weighs when empty. So it's quite heavy backpack, but do remember it's heavy duty materials. The pack dimensions, just normal measuring tape. So let's see, when the lid is all the way cinched down, it's about 45-46 centimeters tall, 28-29 centimeters wide when all the pockets are empty, and the bottom has a slight curve to it, but if I just measure right across, it's about 12 or 13 centimeters for the main compartment, and then the small pockets here on the front adds another 3 centimeters. So that's about the dimensions when the pack is empty. Of course, it's fabric, so it can stretch to every direction. This pack features a lid. It's a top loader. The lid has one big, quite spacious pocket. The inside is lined with yellow, so it makes it easier to see. There's one small key clip here with a red fabric, red strap. The zipper is heavy duty YKK water resistant zipper and has these tabs at either end. Let's look at the bottom outer pocket. Quite simple design, rectangular shape, sewn on the outside so it doesn't eat up any space from the inside. Water resistant zipper, and it is yellow on the inside. There's no other compartments on the inside. On the outside here is a small short piece of daisy chains, so you can attach, I don't know what do you want to attach there. There's no other daisy chains on the pack or any other outer anchor points for anything, so this daisy chain, I don't know what they thought about that, what it is for. Each side has 2 compression straps, and the compression straps don't go over the laptop compartment, so you can access your laptop compartment without opening the compression straps. Each side has small water bottle pockets. one side you can access the laptop compartment that is quite spacious. The straps are not that wide, but quite well padded. You do have some loops here for whatnot, and this normal webbing strap for adjusting the length. The back of the pack is some sort of soft foam material with a bit of soft fabric over. It's quite anti-slippery, so the pack won't be moving around a lot on your back. The bottom of the pack, nothing here, a tab down here, not sure what that's for, as well as tabs here, but the pack doesn't come with a belt of any kind, nor does it come with a sternum strap, so do note that. But of course it's easy to attach a homemade DIY sternum strap. Just put it in there and you're ready to go. The main compartment opens up with these two quick release buckles. There's no pockets on the underside of the flap, and the flap is sewn right into the pack, so it's not floating. You cannot adjust the height of the pack. There's a short collar here on the pack. There's no inside snow collar or anything like that, so just one simple drawstring cord closure, and it doesn't go quite all the way. There will always be a small hole here, so do not pack any small accessories on top of this pack. Inside of the pack there's one big spacious main compartment. There is one internal pocket here at the back, a sort of document flat pocket or a hydration bladder pocket, whatever, something like that. There's no hydration port on this bag, so it's not made for that, but there's one pocket that you could place a bladder or a book or anything flat. So that's about all the features and specs of this pack. So let's now pack it up with stuff. Here we have Topo Designs large packing cube garment bag. Let's throw that in there. And this pack is quite slim, as you can see, so the one packing cube takes up almost all of the main compartment. It's about A4 size, but we can throw in a smaller cube there, no problem. Let's see, close that up. That we have a pretty standard 13-inch laptop. Goes in the laptop compartment, no problem. I do not have a 15-inch laptop, so I cannot try it, but I guess it would be a quite tight fit. 14-inch, no problem probably. Then for the top compartment on the lid, pens, lip balm, tattoo glue, knife, mints, notebooks, no problem. Pocket size book will go in the lower outer pocket, no problem. There's a bit of room for a pen or something like that in there still. Gorilla Pod, let's place that in one of the bottle pockets. And that stays nice and secure in there. And for the other pocket, do note a normal size Nalgene will not fit in here. Nope. but you can fit one inside the main compartment, put it across on top. Clean canteen or any sort of same size soda bottle, smart water bottle will fit in the side pocket here without any problem. This is a half-liter bottle, so a 1-liter bottle will of course be taller. So that's it, loaded up with quite a lot of stuff. There's a bit of room here and there if you want to squeeze in some other things, but that's about it what you can fit in this bag. So computer, office stuff, EDC, perhaps gym clothes, rain jacket, something like that, and then the bag is full. So let's swing it on the back. The straps, at least on my body, fit quite well. They don't slide in under my armholes or into my armholes, so it's quite comfortable to wear. The non-slip material on the back is very secure on my back and quite comfortable. I don't have any problems carrying this all day. But I'm thinking about adding a DIY sternum strap on the back just to pull the shoulder straps a bit inwards so that they are not hanging under my arms. So that's it, guys. Rover Pack Tech. I do recommend this product for anyone. It will last you a long time if you're into bucket style packs. Thanks for watching.